Are you or a loved one facing a long-term care illness and wondering how can you protect your estate? Well, good news is planning ahead can safeguard your assets and ensure that your wishes are honored. Today, we're going to discuss 5 essential steps to protect your estate during a long-term care illness. Hi, I'm attorney Aaron Fransua, and welcome to Law Simplified, where we make the law work for your family. If you want to learn more about protecting your estate and planning for the future, make sure to subscribe for helpful estate planning tips. Now, long-term care illness brings unique challenges, but these 5 steps can help you prepare. The first step is to always review your estate plan. You want to start by reviewing and updating your estate plan to reflect your current circumstances. You want to ensure documents like your wills, your trusts, and all of your beneficiary designations are all accurate and that they align with your wishes. Now, if you don't have an estate plan, I highly encourage you to talk to an estate planning attorney as soon as possible and get one created. The reality is everybody has an estate plan. The question is, which one do you have? If you don't have an estate plan created already that you made yourself, you're going to be using the state that you live in, the plan that that state created for you. Alternatively, you can create your own documents and put the people that you trust in charge and name the people that you want to inherit your entire estate. The choice is yours. Now, the second step is you want to establish powers of attorney. You want to designate someone that you trust to act as your durable power of attorney for financial matters and a healthcare power of attorney for medical decisions. These documents help to ensure that someone that you trust can step in and manage your affairs if you're unable to do so. The third step is you want to consider long-term care planning. Explore options to cover long-term care costs, such as Medicaid planning or purchasing long-term care insurance. Here's a bonus tip a lot of people don't realize. A lot of new life insurance policies these days contain what's called living benefits. These are benefits that you can dig into during your lifetime if you have a terminal illness or you need long-term care. Policies vary. I highly recommend you work with a knowledgeable broker to help you navigate that. Now, proper planning can protect your assets from being drained from expensive care. The fourth step you're going to want to take is set up a trust. Trusts, such as irrevocable or special needs trusts, can help shield your assets from creditors and ensure that they are managed and distributed according to your instructions. They are especially useful for preserving eligibility for government benefits like Medicaid or SSI. The last step is you want to organize your key documents. You want to keep all essential documents such as your will, your trust paperwork, insurance policies, and medical records in one accessible location. From there, you want to share those whereabouts with a trusted family member or an advisor to avoid confusion during critical times. Your family is going to need these documents, so it's important they know how to find them. Now, facing a long-term care illness is never easy, but taking these steps can protect your estate, reduce your stress, and provide financial security for your loved ones. If you need help creating or updating your estate plan to account for a long-term care illness, please contact us at Abbott Esquire Group. We're here to guide you through this process with care and professionalism. For more estate planning tips, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.